Some call you Savior and helper. Let your name be on high.
Ross, I don't know.
And the children of God. Now go share the word of God. Give this. Oh, brethren, good morning. How are they? My name is Ringtone. I'm the evangelist in town. I just came from Germany. This thing you people are doing is not the will of God upon your life. Do you know that what happened in the Bible is not what the children of God in the world are doing? In the book of Ecclesiastes chapter 10 and verse 10.
Wisdom is profitable to direct.
I can see you people are the children of God in the area.
Man of God, you know Father Abraham.
Of course.
I've many sons, like Father Abraham. I will do the release.
That is why I brought the Bible to share with you. My vision is to give you.
This wisdom is profitable. Just share.
So if I take this thing now, I go dey capable to share the word.
You go direct. You be like Solomon. You want be like David.
That is my plan.
Oh yeah.
Will you keep quiet?
You go thank us later.
I don't plan to take this thing now.
Sit down, man of God. Sit down, man. We'll follow you to heaven. Don't worry. Yeah. Now you go carry hold the ladder for us.
I don't plan. When we did Bible school that year, we take 3 rap.
Man of God. We'll follow you to heaven. Don't worry. I go hold the ladder.
This one that they take na really knowledge.
I never show you anything.
Man of God, na guy man.
See, I cannot deceive you.
You dey deceive person. You be careful.
Man of God.
Man of God don dey Jones.
Man of God.
Man of God don dey Jones.
Picture.
Man of God.
Photo. No be juju be that.
Jesus is Lord.
Something way bad for this.
The fire iPhone. I carry go give my band. Don't give am more free today. Oh. Don't give am more free. Take Bible. Man of God.